Hey guys, welcome back to my house under construction. That's right, this is my real rebuild project. And we're actually in my master bedroom. This is where my bed will be right there. And then this, beyond this pocket door, which is about to get installed, is my master bathroom. Another pocket door over here to take us into the master water closet. I've got heated floors right here. This is going to be the Schluter Ditra heat system. So I'll have a little thermostat here, and then the wire to heat the floors will be here. This entire floor will be heated all the way into my shower, believe it or not. This is my master vanity across here. This is being made at Crystal Cabinets as we speak. And the plumbers just finished plumbing all this, so all this is newly completed. I reframed these a little bit late in the project. I decided to use some Roburn recessed medicine cabinets. These also have some built-in lights that will kind of get ganged together with the medicine cabinet. So we'll have great light on our face. And these even have a plug in them, so you can plug in your electric toothbrush right there inside the cabinet. That's my wife's vanity. This is my vanity, but this right here is what I wanted to show you. This is my master shower. This is going to be by far the most luxurious shower and master I've ever had before. I've got heated floors, I've got a heated bench, I've got steam in here, and I think I have the future of plumbing in this bathroom as well. Today's build show all about the future of master showers. Let's get going. All right guys, before the plumbers installed my thermostatic valve, because all this is going to be hidden away in the attic and it's kind of hard to get to, I thought I'd show you what's going on in my master. This is some really cool stuff from Kohler going on here. Now if you look at my master shower, you don't see all the normal valves and all these kind of brass, big chunky pieces in the wall. All you're gonna see is two nipples that are eventually gonna get a shower head and a handheld. And then there's two water lines, just clear or white water lines going up into the attic. And here's what's going on. This is the thermostatic valve, but this does not look like your grandfather's thermostatic valve or even my thermostatic valve. This is an electronic thermostatic valve. So what's going on here is those two pipes that go into the attic are connecting right here. This is the master shower head and this is the handheld. And then this is the hot and cold lines coming into this unit. This actually plugs in and is an electric unit, which is controlled by one of these little guys, which is going to go on the wall. They call this their DTV system. And what's happening here is when this gets lit up, I'll show you a tour when we get this all working. But basically inside my shower, or even cooler, I'll have one inside and one outside my shower. I'll have this little digital controller which will say, hey, start my shower head, my main shower head, make the temperature 105 degrees, boom, let's turn it on. Now here I am, I'm fully dressed, I'm outside my shower, I've got this controller on the wall. My shower head over here 10 feet away is going to turn on. Now while that water's heating up and takes a couple of seconds, not long at my house, my hot water delivery is pretty quick, I can disrobe, jump in the shower, I'm good to go. Now once I'm in the shower, if I want to change anything, I also have a controller there. I can change any of this. It's going to use this little network cable and send a signal up here to this, change the temperature, add the second shower head, whatever. Again, I've got two of these guys, and what happens is all these are connected to a little brain up in the attic, which is this guy. And then this is sending the signal to other things as well, such as, for instance, my steam generator. I've got a Kohler 9 kW steam generator, which also plugs into that module, so that if I'm in the shower and I've finished showering and go, you know, actually, I want to turn the steam on and get some steam for 20 minutes. I'm feeling clogged. Boom, hit the button, my steam generator, all this equipment's in the attic almost directly above my shower. It's gonna turn on. And then here's the little steam outlet. This will get mounted in the shower low. This is the same color as the rest of my fixtures, but this will be the steam port right here mounted in the tile. And then this is the little temperature gauge, so the steam shower knows what temperature is inside my unit. And check this out, Kohler, so nice and detailed. Even the overflow pan that they send you, this part of this system, is stainless steel. Look at that mirrored finish on the bottom. I mean, everything they make is such high quality. I don't know if you know these guys, but they're based out of Kohler, Wisconsin. I took a tour of their factory like, I don't know, 10, 12 years ago. It is an impressive operation. They're still a family-owned company. I don't know which generation Kohler owns them now, but I heard David Kohler, like the great-grandson of the original Kohler founder, speak. Very, very impressive guy. And I love that they're a true family-owned company. They make totally different decisions than a Wall Street stock market-based company. Everything I've used from them over the years is really high quality. But the benefit of being a US-based company is when I have a problem or I need something, I needed a replacement cartridge for a 15-year-old shower head the other day. Not the other day, it's like 6 months ago. Called them, mailed it to me for free. Great, great company to work with. All right, last module that I wanted to mention too on this digital interface is this guy right here. This also gets connected to the network, and you're gonna notice these 4 ports there. That's right, those are speaker wires. This is a Bluetooth controller. So from my phone or from either one of these, I can control the music in my shower. So if I'm taking a 20-minute steam, I can listen to music. I've got all those controls with me. But the bottom line that I really like about this is that everything's in a mechanical room rather than buried behind the tile. So if I have a problem, if it's glitchy in 10 years, if I want to replace it in 20 years, I don't have to take any of my tile out. Everything's fully accessible up there in my attic. Let's go see what the plumbers are doing.
All right, guys, let me orient you to where we are here. This is the attic above my master. So my master shower is literally right underneath my feet here. And this attic is actually part of my air-conditioned space in my house. I'll have insulation that will be right up here against the rooftop deck. So believe it or not, this will basically be air-conditioned space in here. Let me move these Zender pipes out of the way so you can see it. Now this is what I was showing you on the desktop earlier. It's all installed. The guys at Greater Austin Plumbing did a fantastic job. This is my thermostatic valve, like I showed you. It's going to plug into this outlet right here my electrician installed. And then this is the brains of the system. And downstairs you'll notice that my control wires are coming up to this location right here. So that's where those 2 DTV Plus controllers will be. And then on the back side of this wall that we built, and by the way, I just built this out of some plywood and 2x4 so it would look nice up here. I have a feeling I'm going to show this off to a lot of visitors, is my steam unit. So let's actually walk around the corner. Let me show you the steam unit. All right, guys, so here's my Kohler 9 kW steam generator. This is going to generate the steam for downstairs in the shower, which is literally right below us. And this copper pipe right here is going to carry that steam. Because that steam's so hot, you don't want to run that in plastic or PEX. You want to put that in copper. So that's the outlet for that. And then this is going to be a drain line right here that will get connected. This is the cold water that will come in. This is the T&P relief valve, and that's actually plumbed to the outside of my house. And then this gorgeous stainless overflow pan is connected to that line right there, which goes out to my front porch, and I'm just going to have a little copper stub out in the porch. If I ever see water coming out of there, I'll know I've got a problem. But what I like about this setup is that everything's up here in this air-conditioned space. It's really easy to service it, to access it. And again, think about a remodel situation. If I want to change or remodel anything, I've got nothing buried in the wall. Everything's up here, really easy to change. I think the future of plumbing, believe it or not, is in this style where you've got everything remote in an access part. Now, if you didn't have an attic above your shower that was air-conditioned like mine is, think about putting this in a basement. You could also cordon off a little small access area in your master closet, let's say, that might be behind that shower space. Or even maybe when you're designing the house, talk to your architect about having some kind of a mechanical closet that could be really near that master shower so that you could house all this equipment and make it really accessible. It's that accessibility that is one of the things that I really like about this. But ultimately, it's the luxury that really pushed me to do this system. The steam, the beauty of having steam. I've got a kid with asthma. That's going to be huge for my family. Being able to turn the shower on remotely without having to be semi-naked and in the path of the cold shower when you're turning that valve on. I really like that DTV. I'm excited about this install. Stay tuned for a future video. I'll come back and revisit this once I get my tile set and my plumbers get everything hooked up on the final. Really fun system. Big shout out to my friends at Kohler too. They've been an amazing partner to work with. My entire house is 100% Kohler, and that's a dream come true for me. I've had such great success with them. over the years that do everything from my tubs to my shower valves to my faucets, even have some Kohler lighting in the house. They really have some neat stuff. And I've got Roburn medicine cabinets in the house as well, another Kohler company. If you're not currently a subscriber, hit that subscribe button below. We've got new content every Tuesday and every Friday, and I've got a lot more about my plumbing system here at my personal house that I'm calling the Real Rebuild Project. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram, otherwise we'll see you next time on The Build Show.